Wicked man. The worst mistake you made was arresting me and torturing me. That was the day you signed your death warrant. Because I will never forgive until you are 6 feet below. Come on, come out your head from there. Your time is up. I will kill you today. And people will think you died out of your sickness. And guess what? Once you are dead, I will console your daughter. After consoling her, I will marry her. And both of us will enjoy your wealth forever while you rot in grave. Idiot. Die! Collect your last pressure, last pressure, last pressure, last pressure. Die. Very fool. One more chance. Are you there? Go in. Go in. Go. Daddy. Oh. Please come and help me. Daddy is stressful. He has been beating up. Is he okay? I don't know. I think he's having a heart attack or something.
Okay, let me take over.
Okay?
Yeah.
Daddy, take it easy, okay? You'll be fine. Let me get him water.
Okay.
We love you, sir, okay?
Dad, are you okay? Dad, are you okay? What did he do to you? Eh? Sorry.
I went far away, so far away, thinking I'm doing the right thing. I don't know, I'm just being foolish. Yes, I wandered away, thinking I am following my heart.
Wake up! Huh? The Bible says no peace for the wicked. So why are you sleeping? You're not supposed to be sleeping because you're a wicked man. Nonsense. I will handle you till you pass away. In fact, let me baptize you. As I don't talk too much. Receive your baptism. Let me know why you're sleeping. By this time of the day. I baptize you in the name of your money, my money. This stroke will kill you. When they bury you, I will come and piss there to make sure you don't rest in peace because you wronged me and will not forgive for this side. You are very stupid. You are a wicked man. No peace for the wicked. Even Bible talk about. No peace for the wicked. You are sleeping. Forgetting it's 2 p.m. Are you supposed to be sleeping? Are you the only sick man? Yeah. Are you the only one down with stroke? Do you know how many people that are suffering from the same thing? Mafia. Let me even go and enjoy this ride. Idiot.
Someone here! Stop! That's Mary! Mary! Sorry, sir. It's... Sorry. Oh, easy. Sorry. This one. Are you what? Sir, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you good? Where are you, Imperial? I came here, I met him on the floor.
He was on a wheelchair, so I was reading the Bible. He slept off. I had to go to my room to check up on something. So I slept off. So I don't know how he fell down. Sir.
He just spoke.
He said help.
Help? How do you need my help, sir? He just spoke. He spoke. Sir, tell me, how do you need my help, sir?
So how do you want us to help you?
You need my help?
Yes.
Yes.
How do you need my help, sir?
So what
What do you want, sir? Sir, what do you want me to do for you? What do you want me to do for you, sir?
I'm so sorry, Daddy. I had to rush back immediately. You told me you were sick. I'm so sorry. How are you feeling now?
I guess I'm fine now.
You're fine now? Okay. Just say you were missing me. That's why you felt sick.
Why wouldn't I feel sick when you abandoned me for 2 weeks? 2 weeks!
Daddy, you know final clearance takes time.
Am I not important enough? You had to abandon me for a whole 2 weeks.
Daddy, stop. Don't talk like that now, please. Okay, I am here now. Okay, I'm here to take care of you. I'm not going anywhere. Okay, they need to commence treatment on you ASAP.
Are you sure?
I'm here.
You're not leaving me again?
No.
You're here now.
Of course I'm here. Oh my goodness, Daddy! Daddy, you tricked me! Look at you! Daddy! You're so deceitful. Why did you do that?
You abandoned me for 2 weeks, so I have to find a way to bring you back.
You're so deceitful, Dad. I almost fell for that. Daddy, okay. So, how are you, Daddy?
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. Let me rest my ass. Oh, sorry, that's a bad language. So, well, now that you are back, the next step is for you to start your masters in the UK.
Daddy. You've been singing this all year. How you want to, go with me to the UK for my masters. Daddy, you know you don't have to.
Why? I have to. It's for your own good. Huh? Look, I'll be there to take care of you. You know what I mean? But my only problem is this your insistence on studying human resources management.
Yes, Daddy. How about that?
Oh, come on. That is a course you can read online. Okay? I want you to read business administration.
Daddy, it's high time you loosened up your grip on me. I am not a child anymore. Allow me to make my own decisions. Stop imposing your decisions on me.
Sweetheart, you are my only child. It is my responsibility to ensure that you make the right decisions in life. Okay? So trust me.
And that includes you following me to the UK for my masters.
Listen, I've been looking for the slightest opportunity to go to the UK myself. Now you've just given me that opportunity, so that makes 2 of us.
Look at you. Just say you can't live without me.
Once again, you are right.
I miss you so much.
I miss you more, my darling. So what did you bring for Daddy?
Daddy, let's go eat. I'm so hungry.
Oh,
Let's go out.
I'm famished myself.
Okay. Yeah, come in. The door is open. Come in. Oh my goodness! Okay. Oh my god!
My G! It's you.
You still remember that?
Yeah, I remember that. I miss you. Still remember that shit, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Looking good. You're looking good.
Come on, sit down.
Oh, thank you.
I miss you.
I miss you more. No, come on, baby girl. I miss you. I miss you so much.
So tell me, how was your stay in the UK?
Well, great. I mean, I had a lot of time with my... Sir!
How are you?
I'm doing great, sir. I'm doing great, sir.
Well, I can feel that both of you are getting along.
Yeah, my old
Right?
pal. Please sit. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Elsa,
Daddy.
this is a good boy. You know, while you were away, each time he came to the country, he ensured that he asked after me. He's a nice boy.
Hey.
Yes! I guess at this point, I have to leave you alone to do your thing, okay?
All right. Daddy.
Wow.
And what was that about?
Oh, my dad. You know, for some years now, our both parents have been trying to matchmake us. I kept telling my dad that it is not going to work. I mean, you and I are cool friends. You're like my G. I don't even see myself being intimately attached to you. That cracks me up, sorry. My goodness.
Oh, we can be more than friends, you know.
Don't. Please. Don't even go there.
Elsa. Elsa. You know I like you. You know I like you so much.
Maris, please. Don't even try to ruin this moment. I mean, what are you talking about?
Elsa, but you know this can work. I mean, you just have to open up to us. Okay, look. You just have to give us a chance. Please.
Maris, there is someone else.
All right. It's okay. So, how was your trip back?
It was great. And by the way, what should I offer you? Alcohol. I know you love alcohol. Just relax. I'm gonna get you wine, okay? I know you love alcohol.
Water.
Coming from you, Story. Let me get you a wine.
Oh, please.
Just relax.
All
I have
right.
a lot to talk about. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, sweetheart.
How are you?
I'm good. So, what's up? No, I mean with Maris.
Oh, I just saw him off now. And Daddy, by the way, what's up with that eye wink and thumbs up thing you did.
Oh.
That wasn't subtle at all.
No, I never meant it to be subtle. Yes. I mean, both of you liked yourselves right from when you were children.
Okay. Yes. We like ourselves.
Okay.
But not in that manner. I don't like him in that manner. Daddy, I've told you this countless times.
Sweetheart, Marix is a fine young man. I mean, he's very kind and he's been there for you. Okay?
Oh. Okay, you know what? Maybe you should date him. Yes, date him. And you have my full consent, Daddy. You do.
Are you serious right now?
Of course, I'm serious.
Look, sweetheart. I suggest you give that young man enough attention right now.
Attention. Attention. Yeah. You know, if there is anyone who needs attention, that person should be you.
Huh?
Yes.
Please, leave me alone. Go and look for your husband and marry. I can't marry my own daughter.
I know, but you know you're all I have.
And you are all I have too. Okay? Since your mother passed on, it's been you and I alone against the world. Okay? So, that my love for you transcends eternity.
And my love for you transcends eternity, Daddy.
I know.
You know, you have devoted so much time, attention, love, energy in guiding me and raising me.
That I know too.
So, Daddy, don't you think it's high time you remarried?
Remarried, Kay? Come on. My daughter. You think I don't shake my waist sometimes?
Okay, so much information.
But talking about remarrying, I don't think I have time for that now. Perhaps I may in the future. There is something I have decided to do.
Okay.
The situation of the country now is getting worse by the day. Insecurity. So I decided that I'm going to get a driver for you and a police escort so that wherever you're going, I'll be sure that my daughter is safe.
Yes, Daddy. Speaking of that, Dad, I've been meaning to talk to you about it.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That makes two of us.
Yes. So, instead of wasting money on security escort and, driver and stuff like that, I have someone who can do the both diligently. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, he is so good. So good.
It's alright. In that case, I need to see him ASAP.
Sure. I would let him know.
You are the daughter of a billionaire.
I know.
So you have to live like one.
Okay?
I know.
Father loves me, I love him too. He provide for me. I mean everything I want to. Anything I need to. He protects me and he guides me. He never wants any harm to come to me. This is super dada. Somebody tell me what more can I ask for? Hey, it's a mixture of mama and papa all in one. He's making me to feel the vibes of a super daddy. His love for me is upgraded, and that's why I keep on saying you are my one in a million. Someone I hold in high esteem. My love for you no bound, and I'll keep on loving you. You are my one in a million. Someone I hold in high esteem. Someone I'll never let go. I feel like no other. Oh yeah. Father loves me, I love him too. He provides for me. I mean everything I want to. Anything I need he protects me and he guides me. He never wants any harm to come to me. He's a super dad. Somebody tell me what more can I ask for? Hey, it's a mixture of mama and it's making
You
me
there?
to feel the vibes of a super dad.
How is it?
Have you
His love
tested it?
for
I
me
know.
is
Okay, you want me to?
That is so what's up. That is so what's up.
Nice and okay.
My love for you no bound. And
This thing is hot. This thing is hot.
you are my one in a million. Someone I hold in high esteem. Daddy like no other. And that's why I keep on saying you are my one in a million.
If not that I guided you on how to prepare this meal. Anyway, test it first. Okay, try this. Try this.
Nice.
This one is more delicious, right?
Daddy.
You know why?
No.
Because it's from Daddy's hands with love.
I love you too, Daddy.
But I know you are a greedy daughter.
Daddy,
I've given you from my own now. You didn't give me from your own. No.
You know I don't like cooking. I think we should just keep on doing the fast food thing.
No.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Good day, ma.
Yes.
I'm here for the job interview I saw outside.
Oh, it's you. Okay, come in. Sit.
Thank you.
You can sit.
Thank you. That is for me, madam. Bosnet.
You get me to trust. You have to focus. Okay?
Let's stay official.
Yes. The goal is to win my dad over.
So how do I win him over? By pretending to be your driver? Okay.
Relax. It's gonna work out. Okay?
Good day, sir.
Good day, young man. Sweetheart, how are you?
Hey, Dad. Fine. So, this is the young man I told you about.
Okay. Young man, how are you?
Fine, sir.
So, have you conducted the interview?
Yes, of course. He did very well.
Oh.
Yes.
Well, in that case, he has to start immediately.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Young man, make sure you take care of my daughter, okay? She's the only one I've got.
All right, sir.
Good. Well, you have to give him the necessary orientation, okay?
Yes, I will. So, you heard what my father said?
Yes.
And, you can kiss me.
Okay,
Hi, Daddy.
hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Hey.
I have been waiting all day for you.
Oh, I stepped out.
And who is he?
Oh,
He's
this is our driver.
Oh, that's great. And you are? Joe. Hi. Nice to meet you. Hi, honey. I'm sorry, okay. I was leaving when you guys stepped in. I would have stayed for a little catch up with your driver.
It's fine. It's okay.
All right. I'll frequent.
All right.
You take care of yourself and take care of your daddy, okay?
Sure.
Okay.
Hey, come on. Won't you see him off?
Not to worry. Not to worry, sir. I'll see you soon.
Let's go in.
Okay. After you. Okay, I'll let you know when it's ready. All right. I really don't know about that. Yeah, sure. Okay, give me a few minutes. I'll call you back, okay? All right. Babe.
Why did you allow that guy to touch you like that?
Oh, Maris. He has been my friend right from when we were little.
That doesn't give him the right to touch you like that.
Baby, it was just a peck. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. It won't happen again. I'm sorry. Trust me, it's not gonna happen again. Don't you trust me? I said I am sorry.
Okay, I trust you. It's okay. What's up? Why? It's like you guys don't have maid here.
We used to, but basically they just come and go. The cleaner comes 2 times in a week. The cook comes 3 times, cook and then go. Well, my dad takes care of the rest of the chores.
It won't be easy living here without a maid, you know?
Yeah. Okay, the thing is, when I was little, after the death of my mom, we used to have this maid, this young lady that stayed with us. At some point, she started maltreating me so much that my dad found out and he got really heartbroken and devastated. Sent her packing, locked her up. So after that, we just decided to, manage ourselves, stay, live within ourselves.
That's good news. Well, houses like this normally have maids. But living without a maid means you'll be doing almost everything yourself. But in the other way around is good because you're grooming yourself to be a wife material.
Right. But my dad does basically everything. Meanwhile,
It's not starting.
Hey, Daddy. What's wrong with your car?
Well, I don't know. It just refused to start.
did you try calling a mechanic?
Well,
Start it again, sir. Let me see what I can do.
you know about cars?
Yes, I know about cars.
Okay.
Start it again, sir.
It is not starting.
Daddy, how about you use my car? I don't think I'll be going out anytime soon.
Ah.
Yeah.
No. Okay. I've seen the fault, sir. Start it again.
Wow. Ah. Splendid. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
So, how did you do it?
The battery head was not sitting properly on the battery.
Oh, thank you. So, which means my daughter is in safe hands. You can take off her and her car.
By His grace, sir.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you so much. So, please leave the car so that I can go out. Sweetheart, let me run along, okay?
How did you do that?
I know about cars.
Oh, you see, My dad is so proud of you, and I am equally so proud of you.
Thank you. And we are the only ones at home now.
Go back to your duty post.
My friend, will you lose away from this place? Because I work here as a driver and I don't know your level.
It's okay. It's okay.
Baby. Babe.
Hey! Wonder shall never end. Lover forming driver. Sorry. Fearful.
Hi, Daddy!
Finally,
Hi, Daddy! Welcome.
How are you?
Fine. How was work today?
Well, work was fine, just that it's hectic as usual.
I know.
Yeah.
So, I made rice, jollof rice.
Oh, my favorite.
Okay. Yes. So, are you hungry now? Should I dish your food?
Oh, yes. Elsa,
Yes, Dad.
I have not seen Marix for a while. And this is a young man who visits this house very often, even before you came. After you came, he was still coming. But all of a sudden, he stopped. Is there anything I'm not aware of?
I guess he got the message.
Message? What message?
Daddy, I made it clear to him that I don't love him. I don't. Anyway, I have someone else.
Oh. Someone else?
Mm-hmm.
That's alright. I would love to meet the someone else as soon as possible.
Of course. You sure will.
Elsa,
Yes, Daddy.
are you sure you know exactly what you're doing? You see, men like Marix are very difficult to find. And I feel I should let you know this now.
Father, why do you always think, or rather see marriage to be a saint?
I do. I'm not seeing him as a saint. You see, both of you have known each other for a very long time, for years. Right? And I feel that coming together would be a good thing.
Exactly. Same reason I can't be with him. I've always seen him as a friend. Father, if you want me to start loving him in that manner you're talking about, that means I will have to start learning how to love and care for him in another context. And I really don't see myself doing that.
I know. But I think it is because you've not opened your heart, for him.
Daddy, please. Please.
It's alright. I'm not going to have this discussion again on this matter. Okay? Let me go and freshen up and come back to eat my favorite meal. Alright?
Daddy. You know, if you weren't my father, I would have opted to be with you, rather. Oh, please, I'm just kidding. Okay, Daddy. Trust me on this.
It's alright, sweetheart. Know that my love for you transcends life itself.
And my love for you transcends life itself. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to dish your food.
Wow. You look good.
Thank you. So, let's go.
Elsa! I didn't just say that. Explain what? God! A driver!
Daddy, he's the one I told you about. The I am in love with.
Love? Something must be wrong with you upstairs. Something is wrong with you. Over my dead body will that happen?
Daddy, I love him.
You're still repeating it, idiot. Love who? And you. So, both of you connived to deceive me in my house.
I'm sorry.
Will you shut up? Now get out of my house. What? Get out from here, idiot. Elsa. Oh, so both of you deceived me. You planned to plant your boyfriend in my house as a driver. As if that is not enough. You were frolicking under my roof. A driver, Elsa.
Daddy, that he's a driver today doesn't mean he won't make his own money tomorrow.
Oh, that boy, at that age, he has not made money. You are hoping that he will make money tomorrow. Oh, I can see that I wasted my money sending you to school. You can't reason at all. So I worked tirelessly to make all I have made. So that when I pass on, I will will it to you, then both of you will squander it, is it not?
Daddy, he's not after your money.
You're a fool. That boy is after my money. If you don't know.
Okay, Daddy, please. I think I've had enough at this point. Okay, you can't keep imposing your decisions on me. I'm a grown-up. For once, allow me make my own decision. You can't tell me who to marry, who to be with. I've had enough, please.
Now listen to me, young woman. As long as you live under my roof, you will do what I say.
Well, I won't.
Hey, I'm finished.
What is it?
I'm finished.
What do you mean you're finished? Stop being dramatic. What is it?
He caught us.
Who caught you?
Her father caught us kissing.
Hey! So our plans don't cast. Eh? What did they work you? Can't you be professional for once? Just once. We're talking about business and you're talking about love. Who is disputing the fact that but we talked about business? Forget about love. You had only one assignment. One assignment and you went there and you casted everything.
What are you saying? My love life is sinking and you are here talking about business.
I was not love life. Stop telling me that love life. This is business and you're telling me love life. They sent you there just for one thing, just for you to convince this girl, just for you to do one assignment, and you're talking about love. Even when you've messed up, you're here talking about love. Now our plans are you've spoiled everything and you're telling me you love. What did you do? Eh? What is the meaning of this? Just one assignment. You had one assignment. Just go there, eat this girl dry, and you're telling me you love her. You've spoiled everything. This is our surest bet at getting rich. And you've spoiled the whole thing. You're telling me you love her. Who love help? Just look at what you've done. Look at what you've done. Hi! Stop looking at me. Stop looking at me. Fix this, fix this. Hi! Everything don't cast.
Elsa? Where are you going?
I'm heading out.
Heading out. To see that boy, right?
Father, I am an adult. You should allow me live as one.
Not in my house. You cannot bring that riffraff to my house, not as a friend, not as a fiancé. This is my house, I make the rules, and you must abide by them.
Fine! I will leave. I will leave your house for good. But I can't have you always controlling my life. You've been doing this for years now. Please, enough.
Elsa!
He protects me and he guides me. He never wants any harm to come to me. He's a super dada. Somebody tell me, what more can I ask for? Hey, it's a mixture of mama and papa all in one. He's making me to feel the vibes of a super daddy. His love for me is upgraded. And that's why I keep on saying, you are my one in a million. Someone I hold in high esteem. My love for you no bound. And I'll keep on loving you. Oh, you are my one in a million. Someone I hold in high esteem. Someone I'll never let go. Daddy like no other. Whoa, yeah.
Why is this door locked? Did you lock the door?
Where are you headed again? Huh? You hardly stay at home these days.
Father, please. If you have the keys to this door, open it. I need to head out.
Don't tell me you are going to see that scallywag again.
Father, please. If you have the keys, can you kindly open this door? I need to head out.
You are not seeing that young man.
I don't understand. Father, you can't tell me who to see, what to do, or who to be with. I'm tired of you getting into my business. Stop it! Stop meddling into my business. It's not right.
Really? I can't believe my ears. Elsa, you're talking to me in this manner because of that young man? Huh? Can't you see that he's of bad influence on you?
He isn't. I am talking to you in this manner because of you, Father. You need to stop. If you have the keys to this door, open it. I need to head out.
You are not leaving this house.
Father, wait. Just wait.
Can't you see that that man is wrong for you?
Father, please. Father, please. Can you just give this man a chance? I don't want you to write him off because of one single mistake. Sit down and talk with him. Get to know the kind of person he is. Father, please, this is the man I love. And I know fully well that my happiness matters to you, right? Please. Thank you.
I love you. But for that young man, no.
How are you?
I'm fine. Listen, you need to convince my father of your feelings towards me. Okay?
You heard what your father said. That over his dead body will he allow me to date you.
Forget about that. He has already agreed to talk with you. So you need to talk. Talk to him like a man. Okay? Tell him why you love me. Tell him reasons. Convince him.
Baby, your father is a wealthy man. I don't want to end up in prison.
You want. Be a man and talk.
Good day, sir.
What are you doing here?
I came to talk to you, sir. Yes. Honestly speaking, I'm in love with your daughter. And I mean every word of it. She's a beautiful soul. She has an amazing personality. As a matter of fact, you raised her properly, sir.
Thank you. She was properly raised, yes. Would you think I raised her properly for a riffraff like you? I don't want to see you in my house again. Daddy. Don't daddy me! By the way, What do you love about my daughter?
I love everything about her.
Okay.
The way she talks, her eyeballs, her color, her even her lips.
Yeah.
I love everything about her.
Thank you. Now listen, young man. When you were my daughter's driver, our relationship was cordial. I love that. But for you to disguise yourself as a driver and come into my house, it means you don't have good intentions.
Daddy, I convinced him towards doing that.
Really? Nobody can convince anyone to do anything against his or her wish. He has his own mind, or don't you? Ah. Now, you are not going to come to my house again. Okay? And if you don't like it, you might as well live with him. Okay? Don't daddy me.
Daddy, when did you start caring about status?
I don't care about status. But for him, yes, I do. And I certainly care about the way you stole yourself into my house because of my daughter like a thief.
Daddy, I love him. And that's all that matters.
Not in my house. If you really need love, then go and beg Maris for forgiveness.
Over my dead body will I do that?
We'll see about that. And you, what are you waiting for? Idiot!
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Get inside! Get inside. Marix is here. He wants to see you.
I don't want to see him.
Elsa, I went through a great deal of trouble convincing that young man to come. And that is after you charade with that driver. Don't let my efforts go in vain.
Fine. I will see him.
You what? I have told you I feel nothing for you.
You look so pathetic, forcing yourself on a woman who clearly do not like you.
Get a life.
It demeans you.
Stay the hell away from me. I don't love you. Not in that manner. Rubbish.
You said I should see him. I just did.
Elsa! Elsa!
Baby. Baby. I'm sorry about what my father did to you.
It's obvious your dad hates me.
No. Don't speak that way. He doesn't. he just needs time to, get to know you.
Listen, babes, don't patronize me. Your dad hates me. Look at the way he treats me. Look at the way he chases me out like a kid.
No, he's usually not like this. Okay?
Are you here, Mr. Joseph?
Yes.
You are under arrest.
What for?
Move into the car. Move.
But what happened? Why?
Young lady, respect yourself. If you want to know what happened, go home and ask your father.
Father? My father? Baby, calm down now. You even opening the door. Oh my goodness. Okay, now come and pick you. I'm coming for you, okay? My father. Daddy. Daddy, please. You need to release him. He has been in there for 2 days now without food nor water. He's suffering. Please. I mean, how can you be like this? How?
You're asking me how I can be like this. That is all you have to say under the circumstance. Huh? Look, everything I have done, everything is for your protection.
Protection are you talking about? What exactly are you talking about? The man I love is locked up in there without food, without water. Are you talking about protection? What protection are you talking about, Father? Daddy, please. If you must know, this whole thing is making me go insane. It is depressing me. Release him. I beg you.
Depression. If you think what I am doing to protect you is leading you into depression, make the mistake of choosing the wrong partner, then depression will be your life partner.
Mistakes are meant to be made. Allow me. Let me make my own mistakes and learn from them. Father, you need to release that young man. If not for me, for the sake of his family, please. He needs to go back to his family, please.
Elsa, I don't want to see that man anywhere close to you. So if you want me to release him, promise me that you would never see him again.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yes. I will not see him again.
It's alright. I'll see what I can do.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Dad.
He protects me and he guides me. He never wants any harm to come to me. He's a super dada. Somebody tell me, what more can I ask for? Hey, it's a mixture of mama and papa all in one. He's making me to feel the vibes of a super daddy. His love for me is upgraded, and that's why I keep on saying, you are my one in a million, someone I hold in high esteem. My love for you, no bad.
Bro. So, what's happened? Eh? Sorry. Okay. What happened? Eh? What is wrong with you? Who did this to you? Eh?
My sister did.
They what? No. What happened? Eh? Who did this to you?
That man is mean. My sister, they almost killed me.
It's his father.
Yes.
Hey!
I don't know what he gave to the police, but they tortured me. They used all manner of things on me.
Hey!
They used live wire on me.
Chimo!
They used batting on me. They almost drowned me.
No. That man is wicked. They did all this to you because you don't have money. Eh? No.
My sister, I should have avoided that girl.
Yes.
I regret going that close.
Don't. You should have avoided that girl. Eh? I told you just collect the door and go. Iju. Ndo.
Please,
Ndo.
you need to massage me with hot water.
I will. Go to punish that man wherever he is. Ndo. You said hot water. Eh? Ndo. Oh, I'll do that right away. Sorry, Ndo. I'm coming.
God punish devil. God punish devil. God punish devil. In fact, God punish poverty. You get what?
Hello.
Hello, baby, please talk to me.
Hello.
Baby, please, can you just talk to me, please? Your silence is killing me. Okay, I am sorry. I am deeply sorry about what happened. I am sorry, please. Talk to me. It's been 2 days now since you got back. Can you talk to me, please?
Listen, it's over between us.
No, please. Oh, okay. It can't be over now. Who ends relationship like this? It can't be over, please. We'll go through whatever it is. We'll go through it together, please. Hello? Oh, wait, don't cut.
I mean every word of it. It's over between us.
Forget, I know you're at home. I'm coming to meet you up. Please, I'm coming. Please, you can't just break up like this now. Please. I'm trying my best. Please. Hello, Obim, baby. My love. Hello. Who is there? Who? Who is that? Who?
That's my boyfriend.
Chalu. Wait. Who are you? Who are you?
Amara, please. Where is Joe? I need to see him. It's urgent, please.
You know you don't have shame. No, you don't have shame at all. You need to see your boyfriend. Okay. So you came to kill Joe. Yes. It's not good enough that your father almost killed him. Now you want to finish him up, okay?
Yes.
You're sorry.
But I need to see him.
You don't have to see him. Joe is not around. Go home. I said Joe is not around. Where are you going to? Joe is not around. Go to your father's house. Joe is not around. Where are you going to?
Oh, then where is he?
This place, does it look like an exam hall to you? Does it look like an exam hall to you? I don't know. Joe is not around. So go home.
Amara, I will have to wait till Joe comes back.
Amara, stop now. What is it now? Wait now. Don't you know what it means for someone to break up with you?
Oh, really? Your boyfriend to break you? Am I the one that broke up with you? The person that broke up with you is not at home. That's why I say you should go.
Do you even know what it means for your boyfriend to break up with you? He said it's over. It can't be over.
Okay, it can't be over. It can't be over. It's you for one name. What do you mean it can't be over? My brother said it's over. That means over. Is it by force? Please, oh. See. Msala, I don't want trouble. Leave this house. My brother is not around. I said leave this house. Leave this house now. Before I'll change it for you.
Amara, I'm not going anywhere. I told you.
You're not going anywhere. Okay. So you're not going anywhere. In our own house. Eh? In our own house. Atalonge. Nonsense. Came here to do what? To do what? This house will not contain us. Joe, better pick. Hello? Joe, how many times did I call you? 3 times up here? What do you mean, calm down? I'm not going to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. Joe, if you know what is good for you, better come back now and take this your nonsense girlfriend out of our house. What do you mean, which of your girlfriend? Esa, Nsala, anyone, Esther, come and take her out of this house. Eh? That you do what? That you do what? You love her. Joe, listen to me. We are not talking about love here. I am saying you should come and take this girl out of this house. That you do what? She come and carry this girl out of this house. I'm even talking, she's even adjusting her bag. Eh? That should do what? I should let her stay. In which house? In our own house. In our house. Joseph, listen to you. In fact, you're mad. You're very stupid. And I know that right now, I know that you're inside bottle. But me, your sister, will not allow you to stay inside that bottle that Nsala put you. Joe, let me tell you, anywhere you are, I pray for you. Anywhere that Elsie, Esther, Nsala has put you, inside a Coca-Cola bottle, or any bottle at all, or picnic bottle, anywhere they have put you, I pray that today, that you come out of that bottle alive in Jesus' name. Yes, say, Joe, you're very stupid. Yes, you're mad. That bottle, you must come out of it. If I don't even have your time right now, let me finish up with this nonsense girl. I will come back for you, and you will come back to this house and meet me. I don't have your time. I'll come for you later. Hey, sir. Nsala, or you leave this house. Leave this house, Mama. You want to see madness? Joe is not around. The sister is around. Will you do me? Leave.
I don't like the way you spoke to Joe.
You don't like Joe? You don't like the way I spoke to Joe? Is Joe your brother? Is Joe your brother? It's obvious that Joe is inside bottle. And you're the one that put him inside bottle. But you see today, Joe will come out of that bottle. And you will leave this house. This house will not contain us at all.
But Joe already asked me to stay.
Joe already asked you. See, you see this your face? I don't want to disfigure it. Because if I give you one blow, 7 apple, you see this your mouth, it will turn to blue. Leave this house in peace. Esa,
I should stay.
He said you should stay, and I said you will not stay. Isa, leave this.
What are you doing?
What I'm doing is that you have to leave this house. What I'm doing is that you have to. Isa! Isa!
Father loves me, I love him too. He provides for me everything I want to. Anything I need, oh, he protects me and he guides me. He never wants any harm to come to me. He's a super dada. Somebody tell me, what more can I ask for?
I'm sorry, Dad. I have to leave for a while. I do not recognize you anymore. Never in a lifetime would I have thought that my father, the man I love so much, would treat another human being the way you treated Joe. It ruined the image I have of you. I always believed you to be a good, understanding man with integrity. Right now, I don't know what to believe anymore. I'm sorry.
Father loves me, I love him too. He provides for me. I mean everything I want to. Anything I need, oh, he protects me and he guides me. He never wants any harm to come to me. He's a super dada. Somebody tell me, what more can I ask for? Hey, it's a mixture of mama and papa all in one. He's making me to feel the vibes of a super daddy. His love for me is so great, and that's why I keep on saying, you are my one in a million. Someone I hold in high esteem. My love for you no bound, and I'll keep on loving you. You are my one in a million.
See this one. Bia. Wake up, oh. Who's baby? I not be your baby, oh. Try me, baby. Wake up, please. Kosim, baby. Your baby is hungry. Go and make food for him.
Okay. I will. Good morning.
You have to do that fast. Stop looking at me. Go and make food for your baby. Hey, stop looking at me like that. Go and make food for him. After all, your father did that to him. So it's your responsibility to nurse him back to good health. Hey, go to work.
Okay.
One more thing. Those clothes at the passageway, grab them. Wash them well. Very well. Concentrate on the neck. Off you go.
Okay, but are they just clothes or?
They are my village people clothes. Now my village people get them. Go wash clothes, Biko. Joma, they just clothes.
Yeah, because I need to know if it's just clothes or yours.
Like I said, my village people, now their clothes. Go wash your baby clothes.
Okay, I will. So, where is your laundry room? I mean, for the washing machine.
Washing what? Washing machine. My dear, in this house we do manual labor. We use our hand to wash our clothes. This is not your father's house, where everything is easy. So, get up, get busy. Off you go. Go and wash those clothes.
But those clothes are huge. They are much. And moreover, they are more of jeans.
Yes. Those clothes, they are huge. Very huge. It's because your baby is huge. So you have to go and wash it. Go and wash his jeans. You're able to carry his thing that is huge. You're not able to wash his thing that is the clothes that is huge. Madam, get to work. Go. Go to work, yeah? Okay. Be useful, be useful.
It's okay, no problem. I'm not very hateful. You never see anything. I beg, it's my turn to rest.
I packed it here now. Yes, yeah, I packed it here.
What are you looking for?
My car, I packed my car here. I can't find it anymore.
Why are you looking for it?
I want to go to the market and I need to use my car.
Baby, listen. I am not as wealthy as your father. So you must learn to manage. Cut down. The market is not far. You can stroll down to the market. But still drive your car every now and then because you own one. No.
Baby, you know I want to manage with you. But I have a car. What stops me from using it?
You must not use your car because you own one. No. Listen, in life, always know what you need and go for it, not what you want. Those are the little things that will prove to me that you are a wife material. Being able to wash with your bare hands, yes, even when the washing machine is there. Strolling down to the market and ignoring your car. Those are the things that will prove to me that you are a wife material. Please, let's go for what you need, not what you want.
Okay. It's fine. I'll go without my car.
Nice.
But where is it? Where is my car?
My sister went out with it.
Without my permission?
No, she asked me and I permitted it.
Alright, no problem. I need to head to the market. Let me pick some stuffs.
What's happen?
I'm afraid. I feel this man will wake up one morning and send armed men to pick me up.
Honestly, bro, this man has instilled so much fear in you and is killing your feelings for his daughter.
You are not far from the truth. I'm so afraid that I can't even touch her anymore.
Ha! Bro, you have to touch her. You have to touch this girl. You remember the original plan now? The plan was for you to marry this girl for her wealth. Yes! And you went there and fell in love. Why?
That was your plan, not mine.
Yes. So how do you feel now? How you feel now when you don't collect beating? How you feel?
Listen, I know you don't like her, but talking down on her is what I will not tolerate. Please.
Look at my bro, why they give OT. I don't get this at all. What are you saying? Talking down on who? The plan is for you to suck this girl. Suck her without straw. Even if na pipe you see, suck this girl dry. And you're here acting like Ogbono. I don't like this, oh. Bro, I don't like Amo.
That was not my intention.
You better find that intention. Anyway, where that intention be, find Amo. What are you even saying? You want to tell me you don't hate this man right now for what he did to you? Every other person would have done that. You see, that man right now, as he stands, his name is hate. You have to hate that man for what he did to you. Every other person would definitely hate this man. Do you know what that man did to you? Man, that man walking on me. That man humiliated you. That man locked you up.
I hate him, but that shouldn't affect the love I have for his daughter.
He has to. Do you like the condition, our condition? Do you like it? Just look at our house. Look at our curtain. Look at just ordinary bed. Nothing. There's nothing in this house. Now me, they do everything. Now me, they pay house rent. Now me, they feed you. Now me, even he herself, my this thing don't they pay me. Don't they cry for help. With himself, you guys help me, oh. Everything na me. Every time I dey hustle, I dey come out, I dey do everything just to feed you. Please do something, oh. This place don't they pay me.
Hey, change topic. Change topic. You dey lash to make money and you're proud of it.
Bro.
I say change topic.
Hey, baby. How are you? Baby, what is it now? Why do you seem distant?
I went through hell because of you.
Baby, I already said sorry. Please. I'm sorry. Don't let this break us, please. Please.
I can't promise that. I can't.
Baby, what are you trying to say? Are you trying to say you don't love me anymore? Baby, please, don't be like this. Can't you see I'm putting in effort? Can't you see I'm trying to rewrite my father's wrong? Baby, please. Baby, please, don't do this.
I don't know. I don't know what to say.
Just say it. Say you love me. Say you want us. Please, my love. Can you at least kiss me back? Baby, please. Baby.
Please stop. Stop now, please.
I said sorry, please.
Where are you coming from?
I want to buy something.
Don't lie. I saw you. You went to see your father.
Why are you following me?
Answer my question. Answer my question.
Yes, I went to see him. He's always there every Friday. I just wanted to make sure he's fine.
Are you sick? What if he followed you back to this place? Do you want to kill me?
He's not like that.
Says who? No, tell me, says who? Well, if you must know, the scars of what your father did to me is still fresh deep down in my soul. Your father is mean. He scares the living daylight out of me. I wonder why you see him as a nice person after all he did to me. Your father is a terrible human being.
I'm sorry, but he's still my father.
Oh, he's still your father? Good. If you care about him so much, what are you doing in my house? Go and stay with him.
I'm sorry. I won't go see him again. I'm sorry. I won't go see him again. Baby, I'm sorry about earlier today. It's just that... Anyway, never mind.
When are you leaving?
Soon. I just want to be sure that you're okay.
I'm okay.
I saw you struggling with the TV.
Yes, it's giving me issues.
Then let's buy a new one.
You know my financial condition. I'm jobless at the moment, so I can't even afford one.
I know. I won't even allow you spend your money on anything, even if you have. I'll buy it.
Why?
I just want you to be happy. Especially after what my father did to you. I just want you to be happy. Put a smile on your face. I'm sorry. Can you at least smile? I'm sorry. Okay. I don't even want to go. I want to stay with you. Are you sure to be okay there?
Yes. It's fine.
Wow. This must be really expensive.
We got it like 500k.
You got 500k? Really? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Babe, once again, thank you. Okay?
We have a new television, new look.
Let me go fix something in the kitchen.
Aw. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's my brother. Jeez, this is beautiful.
You like it?
I love it. Bro, on to the next, yeah? The next OT. We can have this kind of beautiful television, like very big, and we are still living in boys' quarter in another man's house. That won't happen. Tell her, touch her those places you do touch her, she will vomit money. You know, bro, we need an apartment, a big apartment. We need to move out from these boys' quarters now, please. Okay, do something, bro. I trust you.
Step by step, no jumping.
Bro, use your German machine and do something.
I'm sorry I can't do this.
Baby, why? You haven't touched me for some days now.
I have a lot going on in my head. I can't do this. I'm sorry.
Whatever you're talking about, Does it have anything to do with my father?
No.
Okay.
Good night. What is your problem? Yeah? So you cannot stroll down to the market, buy food stuff, and walk back home. Must you order cab? To crown it all, you came back with an AC cab. Mrs. Money, you cannot manage. Where is the wife material in you? Wife material, zero.
Baby, it's my money. I bought this stuff with my money. I ordered a cab with my money.
Okay, so this is what I will get if we eventually get married. Each time you spend your money and do something wrong, if I try to correct you, you will remind me that it's your money. You bought the stuff, you ordered the cab with your money. So because it's your money, you should be misbehaving. How many times have I told you to cut down? Zero wife material. Don't baby me. Don't touch me.
All I'm trying to say is that you're taking this too far. The load is heavy. It was so heavy that it started hurting my hand. So I had to get a cab to make things easier.
Spare me that rubbish. You are just being unnecessarily extravagant. What is heavy here? What is heavy here? I normally see women carrying their child, maybe one on her back, one by her left or right hand, with what she bought from the market. I normally see women like that walking and they're not complaining. They're all happy. Some are even frying bole. Some are even selling beans and plantains. Some, I know women that work hard. They are loyal. They are respectful. I know what material when I see one. But you, every small thing, Uber, small thing, I can't stress, small thing, luxury. That's not life. Cut down. Cut down. Madam Moichama.
Yeah, I'm trying. Yeah, I have a car. Right now, I don't even have hold of it. Your sister is using it. And I'm not complaining. All I did was to look for another means of transportation to make things easier for me. That's all.
That's not enough. And that's not all. Cut down more. Lower your standard. Be a wife material. Learn how to manage. My message is simple.
I'm sorry. I've heard you. Okay, henceforth I will do whatever you want. Whatever you say. Just to prove to you that I'm a wife material. That I'm willing to, stand by you. Okay? I'm sorry. I really want us to work.
What's going on? What happened?
Bro, everywhere knows stew. Everywhere knows stew. Things no dey easy for me at all.
That one na old story now. You dey expect make government share money I been waiting.
Bro, see, I need 50k. I need 50k. I need to sort out some things. I need that money urgent 50k. Now I need now.
From which bank? You know I'm jobless, so why are you asking for urgent 50k? Where will I get it from?
From Esa. Yes. Wetin Esa dey do for this house? Wetin she dey do? Ask her for 50k. Use this girl for your own benefit now.
Amara, Esa is not an object to be used.
Okay, no vex. Make I rephrase am. I know say Esa get that money. Ask for it.
I don't believe in demanding money from women. I won't do that.
Now be say hunger go finish me and you for this house. Hunger go kill us for this house. Wetin dey worry you, bro? Wetin dey worry you? I don't understand you at all. Use this girl now. Use this girl. Collect money from this girl. I don't understand why you dey pretend say you be good girl for person wey you don't even like anymore. I'm sure say you don't like this girl again. Use this girl. Collect this money from her now.
No, they put bad thoughts for my head. I know good and bad.
You don't forget saying Papa nearly buy you. You don't forget say this girl Papa nearly kill you. And I know you too well. If you were given opportunity to deal with this man, I know say you go deal with that. And this opportunity is what you have now. Use this girl, dupe her. If you dupe her, collect money, it go pain in Papa go. You know say big men, they don't use their money play. Use this girl now, collect cash, make everywhere stew. I beg. If this girl no gree bring the money, dump am, kick am out. Carry another person enter this house. I know you, no be gigolo you be. Carry another person enter. Rather go dey sleep for parlor, leave the roof for una. I beg, use this thing well, use am well. Make everywhere soft, I beg. I need that money, I need 50k. No be matter of. Give me 50k.
Inagwa Tony Elumelu. I'm off here.
Hey, baby. Guess what? I'm making your favorite.
Thanks.
Yeah. Are you okay?
I have a problem.
A problem?
I need 400,000 naira as soon as possible. It's important and very urgent.
Is that it?
No, I'm jobless.
It's okay. You know you worry too much. I'm going to give you the money. Yes. I will.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Just made me smile.
Are you sure?
Thank you very much.
Bro, where you dey go? You don't strong to come out.
Yes, so I need to go out. I need to look around and have fun. Meanwhile, I sent you the money you asked for. Have you seen it?
You send money?
50k.
When?
Not quite long.
No see more. So where you can't get the money from?
Yes, like you advised. I asked her for money and she gave it to me. 400k.
She gave you 400,000 naira. Now you're talking. As it should be. She supposed they bring money. That's a compensation for what her father did to you.
I'm beginning to like the idea. Meanwhile, you get one babe waiting to worry me since. So I won't go take her out. Maybe we'll do 1 or 2. I need action tonight.
Maybe you do 1 or 2. Now waste more money, don't enter your pocket. Now you won't do 1 or 2. Bro. Calm down. You see what they tell you be this. Small money don't enter now. You see how you celebrate her. Think about it when big one don't enter. You go ball.
Like I said, I'm beginning to like the idea, but meanwhile, this night is for my action. So chill. Let me go out and clear my head.
If not for action, day house. Use your girl, do action. No be bed be this. Do the action.
Come on. I told you now, Amara. I can't make love to her again. Each time I try touching her, I see her father's face on her face, telling those boys to touch on me.
Shoo? Bro, no one be that too. Don't mind me. Na trauma. You know, say that man don't show you shege. Sorry, bro, no verse.
Stop making me remember what that man did to me. I said I'm trying to clear my head. This night is for action, so let me be.
Since this night is for action. What did they talk, sef? Bro, you know, me and you know ourselves. You know, say for one day, you know they faithful to this girl. You be they do your kikere movements for every day you they do kikere waka. The only thing what they tell you be say, make you just stay very careful. You know, say that one is, you dey very low. I don't want to lose my only brother.
That's the wrong English. Which one be stay faithful? Listen, men are polygamous in nature. Stop that faithful drama. You can't even walk around here. Okay, hold me like this. One woman will get me. Where they write up?
Palliative. See my palliative. My auntie don't they walk. Make this thing where they do make it calm down small. Wait till they soft now. You can't help your sister. Not every time this thing go there for work. You see the same. It's that hair. Just like we use it before that hair.
Yeah, bread and ours. Yes. Give me this your chips.
my daughter. I have to bring you home. This is where you belong. Even if it means allowing you to marry that young man. I miss you.
Babe, are you okay?
Yeah. I'm just having this weird feeling about my dad. Like, it keeps coming and I just feel... Oh, never mind. Do you need anything?
I need 1 million naira.
Million naira? That's a lot. That's too much, babe. What do you want 1 million naira for?
This is why I don't like borrowing money. Because they will make you explain and explain and explain. I'm not... Okay, never mind. Okay.
It's okay. I will give you the money.
Thank you very much. When you're talking.
It's okay. It's nothing. So let me get my phone and make the transfer. Should I transfer to your Zenith Bank account?
No, my UBA.
Okay. I don't understand. What is going on? What is this?
Account blocked. By who? How?
It should be my dad. But why? Why? Why would he do a thing like this? Why? Why?
You see, why I keep saying your dad is a mean man. He is a wicked man. How can he block your account? That means he does not care whether you feed or not. Your dad is mean.
Baby, he's not. Okay? My dad is usually not like this.
Listen, your dad is mean. Nobody can convince me otherwise.
Babe, please, stop. Excuse me. Hello? Yes, I'm the one. Which hospital? Okay. I'm coming right away, please. I'm coming. Oh my goodness, baby.
What is it?
Baby, they just called me not to tell me that they rushed my dad to the hospital. He's in critical condition. I have to go. I have to go.
Babe. Please help me lock that side. Sorry, sir. Please help me ship that.
Just...
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Sorry.
Daddy, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I should have stayed with you. I should have stayed close to you. I'm really sorry. Daddy, please, I need you to be strong. I need you to be strong for me, please. Please. I love you so much. I love you. My love for you transcends even this. I love you, Daddy. Just be strong, please. I'm so sorry.
Babe, it's okay, I have to go now.
No, please. Please, stay, please. I need you to stay. Please, you have to stay. I can't do this on my own. I can't. Please.
I'm sorry, I can't.
No, baby. Daddy. Please, can he stay? You see, he just blinked. He wants you to stay. You have to stay, please. I can't even lift him. You know he's paralyzed from neck down. I need you to stay, please. It's so hard on me.
It's okay, it's okay. I will stay.
Thank you. It's so hard on me, baby.
Papi. Hello, Papi. Strong man. My Lion King. Papi, how you doing? I heard you were recovering like a horse. I heard you beat everything that wanted to keep you down and you came out swinging.
I haven't seen him smile like this in a long time now.
That's my strong man. That's my Lion King himself. Papa, you know you're a strong man. You're a very strong man. I trust you're going to beat this. In fact, we are going to beat this together. Okay? You beat this just as you beat everything that wanted to keep you down. The Lion King himself. A strong man. You know, I wanted to get us drink. No, as usual. You and I. But I didn't want to be embarrassed and, in fact, beaten by an old man again. Papi! Come on. Very easy, you're going to dance. Okay? You don't just walk, you dance. I will go to stroll. You're strong. That's my Papi. That's my Papi!
See your life. You see your life. What goes around comes around. Now you are sick and down at my mercy. You are suffering because of what you did to me. You are a wicked man. Yesterday I couldn't sleep. I was in the other room, thinking, knowing fully well that the wicked man that made me go through trauma is lying helplessly in the next room. Karma came so swift. I will make sure you suffer until you die. You are a wicked man. I can naked you now, snap your manhood and post it online. Have you forgotten what you did to me? Have you forgotten? My sister asked me whether I will take my revenge on you if I had a chance. I will make sure you suffer until you die. If your daughter tries to stop me, I will also kill her. Because you deserve no mercy. You're a wicked man. Forgetting that what goes around comes around. Useless man. Useless man. Useless man. You made me go through hell. Now it's my turn. I will support. I will support you. Sorry, Daddy. Sorry, Daddy.
What happened?
He has been shaking.
Daddy,
Please, Daddy, relax.
Daddy, what happened?
He has been shaking.
Daddy, so sorry. Daddy, I'm so sorry.
Sorry, Daddy, okay?
You need to take your medication.
Should I get him water?
Please, get him water.
Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm coming.
Daddy, I'm sorry. He's going to get you water. Daddy, please. You need to pull through.
I went far away, so far away, thinking I'm doing the right thing. But I don't know, I'm just being foolish. Yes, I wandered away, thinking I am following my heart. Oh, little did I know that I'm just being foolish. Yeah, I think I made a mistake by leaving you alone to a place where I don't know. Yeah, I think I made a huge mistake by leaving you alone to a place where I don't know. I am sorry, Papa, for leaving you behind. And right now I am back. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. Oh, I went far away, so far away, thinking I'm doing the right thing. But I don't know, I'm just being foolish. Yes, I wandered away, thinking I am following my heart. Oh, little did I know that I'm just being
Okay,
foolish.
you just blinked. And that's a yes.
I think I made
At
a
least that's the only language I
mistake,
understand.
leaving you alone
Yeah, that's
to
okay.
a
I
place
get it's a
where I don't
sweet
know.
surprise.
I think I made a huge mistake by leaving you alone to a place where I don't know. I'm
Yeah,
sorry,
baby.
Papa, for leaving you behind.
Thank you.
And right now I am back. I'll never let you go. Ah,
Yep.
I am
Okay.
sorry, Papa, for leaving you behind. And right now I am back. I'll never let you go.
Oh, baby.
Hi, babe.
What's up, love?
Fine. I want to quickly go to grocery store to get some things.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. Be careful, yeah?
Sure. Baby, I'm thinking of hiring a maid.
Is that necessary? What for?
I just feel we need an extra hand. You know, the workload is much.
But you have me and I'm always there for you. I've been taking care of him now, so we don't need a maid.
I know. I just feel we need someone, someone else around. Like I earlier said, the workload might be much on you and you won't know how to, speak up.
Well, if you insist, no problem. But for me, I don't think it's necessary. Because I'm always there.
Like I completely forgot. Dad blocked my account. Like I can't even make transactions.
You don't even have access to cash.
I am telling you.
No need for the maid. Please don't stress yourself, okay?
Yeah. So, baby, I have to, run along right now to pick some stuffs.
All right,
Daddy.
darling. Have a beautiful day, okay?
Sure, baby.
Come here. Bye.
Daddy, I'll be right back, okay? I know. I know that eyes. I'm gonna miss you too, okay? But I'm not gonna stay too long. I'll be right back soon. And of course, I'm gonna miss you too. Daddy, come on. Don't be such a baby. I'll miss you too, okay? But I won't stay long. That's a promise. Baby, take care of Daddy, please.
Of course, of course.
Please.
He's in safe hands.
I know. Okay.
All right, love.
Okay, baby, take care of Daddy.
Okay, have a nice day. What was that for? Huh? You wanted to tell her something, right? Huh? You wanted to expose me. If I hear fame, you are blinking like an idiot. If I was you, you will change color. Wicked man. Wicked man. What goes around comes around. When you were torturing me, rough handling me, you thought you are the boss then. Look at you now. Vegetable. In fact, what am I supposed to do to this one now? New idea. Mefogaji. You see this baby? I need like 100 pieces from your baby. 2, 3. Raise it, let me bab you. 4. Good. 5. That's a stupid man. 6. 7. 18. 19. 20. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. What is this? What? You peed? At your age? You peed on your clothes? Eh? Because you're suffering from stroke. Are you the only stroke patient? You peed here. You will stay like this until your daughter comes back. Leave this place. You idiot. You will remain like this until your daughter comes back. Wicked man.
Daddy. Oh my goodness. Daddy. Daddy. Daddy, what happened? What happened? Daddy, you peed on yourself. Daddy, what happened? I'm so sorry. Yo.
Welcome. What happened? Oh, he peed on his clothes.
He peed on himself. Daddy, I'm so sorry.
Sorry, sir.
I'm so sorry.
Sorry, sir. I went to ease myself.
No. What do you mean you went to ease yourself and you left him here all by himself?
Hello. I want to ease myself now. Are you expecting me to pee on my trousers like he did too?
Joe, I told you not to leave him alone by himself. I told you.
At the expense of my engine room. So I should not pee again because I'm taking care of your father. Don't insult me, oh. I'm just helping you here.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
I'm going to get something. Don't clean him. I'm going to clean him myself. Daddy, I will clean you up. I'm coming, please. I'm so sorry. Joe, you shouldn't have. I told you to always stay around him. You shouldn't have just left him.
Sorry, I went to...
But I told you.
I just went to use the restroom. Wicked man. You see your life? Wicked man. Each time I look at you, I feel like strangling you to death. You're very, very wicked. Wagihuna. Very wicked man. When you were rough handling me, do you know that one day it will be my turn? Eh? Do you know? Do you know? Evil that men do lives after them. I lie you. Evil that men do lives with them these days. No time for a long camera. Nonsense. My friends, stay one place. Stay one place. Wicked man. Yalla. Why am I even turning it for you? Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Type, open your mouth. Open. Okay? Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open it. Hey, what's up, darling? The feeling that is difficult.
Oh, Daddy. Daddy, you have to eat something, okay?
Sir, please eat, okay?
You have to eat, please.
We love you, sir. We love you. Let's eat. Oh.
Baby, Let me just feed him myself.
No. You have a lot to do.
I know, let me just quickly feed him and then rush to work. I need to see how things are going there.
No. Just go to work. I will handle this, okay?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, I have to run along now. By the way, I found that debit card.
Really?
Yeah. So I was thinking maybe I should just withdraw some money and see how, maybe hire a nurse. I need one to assist us.
Are you sure you want to do that? Is that necessary?
Yes. The other day, Dad peed on himself. And he remained that way till I got back from work. I wasn't happy with that at all. I can't even imagine how he must have felt. So, I still insist. I just feel it's wise we hire someone.
In that case, why don't you employ Amara? She's looking for a job and this is her line.
No. I won't do that. I'm sorry. I can't.
But I'm always here for you. Don't worry. You must not employ anybody, okay? I'm doing my best.
Okay.
Oh.
Do you want to say anything?
Yes, now that you've found his card, can you please lend me the money I asked for?
Babe. That's debit card. That's his money, not mine.
Yes, but I need that money, okay? And I've been helpful. I do the house chores, I take care of him, I change him. Please, I need that money. Besides, you can pay him back when he unblocks your account.
Baby, I still don't think it's wise. Okay, let me just ask Daddy. Daddy, should I just give Joe the money? Aha, great. So, Daddy said yes.
Oh, so his blinking means yes.
Yes.
Oh, thank you, Daddy. We love you, Daddy. We love you, sir.
So, babe, I will withdraw the money on my way back.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, Daddy. You're so sweet. Come here. Okay, Daddy, he will feed you.
Have a beautiful day, okay?
Right back for you.
Yeah, don't worry, he's in safe hands.
Okay, baby, love you.
Love you more, darling. You get sense. You get sense. I thought you would have said no. Let me kill you here. Because you confirmed the money, let me now feed you well. Tony, bend your head.
Oh, babe.
Baby.
Would you want me to get anything for you?
No, I'm fine. Just get me pizza.
Okay. Alright, bye.
You're welcome, sis. What?
This house is so beautiful. Like, for real? Wow.
The house is just there.
Is he the man?
Yes, sir. He's the one. The wicked man. You remember that verse in the Bible that says, no peace for the wicked? This is the evidence.
This is no peace for the wicked.
This is no peace for the wicked man.
Hey!
God is paying him back in his own coin for all he did to me. Very wicked man. What do I offer you?
Ndo. Sorry. Eh?
Why you the jerk now?
What's he make and the jerk?
He's not a vegetable.
Hey, but bro, this man fine, sha. If I go away for sugar daddy.
Sugar daddy, this one?
No.
No, now. This is low budget sugar daddy. Normally, sugar daddies do have white beards. This one is brown beard, so you can't fit into sugar daddy. And nearly sugar daddy.
Chai. Bele, my dear. Bele. No the jerk. Eh?
You do like woman. Let me offer you a drink. Very wicked man, though. Forget that.
Ndo, sorry. Eh? Yeah. Chai. You want this? You want this? Yeah. You know if you even suck. Hey, you get nipple.
No peace for the weekend.
Shepe, my bro. Give me Shepe.
Ma, hi. You don't owe me since. Don't owe me. Eh? Bro, after now, where the daughter now?
That one?
Eh.
She went to their company. She went to see what's going on there.
Eh, that's very important too. That means money they show, huh?
Hi! Chiwo.
Why this man they look me like this? Now because say we carry ordinary alcohol. Eh? I don't understand. All these rich men, they very stingy. Ordinary alcohol again. Now they look me like this. No problem. Make I give this one.
No. Don't give him alcohol. He has low BP.
He has low BP? Bro, since he has low BP, may I give him alcohol? May he high and small.
Okay, so that you go high BP.
High BP.
Enjoy.
Oh yeah, drink. Open mouth. They spit for my drink. Oh yeah, drink more.
Wow.
You don't dey high. See him mouth. Oh, he like alcohol. Bro, wetin dey sup now? This place dey too boring now. Wetin dey happen?
Bro, I beg. I need music.
You want wedding? You don't know what that demand is.
I beg, I need music.
You know? You dey feel am? Hey! Hey! Say you look my ass.
You look like a knocker. You cannot do anything again. It's not a vegetable.
You know?
Veggie.
Hey!
Do I look like a little farm?
He like one break.
Rock out.
Hey! Come on! Hey!
Give my Becky enjoy.
You dey feel am? You dey feel am? You know. The guy needs to high.
Wait.
High now. What did they want
Get one
to
game we'll go play.
Eh.
And they say on internet. We'll try it from here.
You don't look like I give a fuck. No be you be this. Eh? No be you be this. Eh?
My man. Chap. You're going to
You know that game when they play for social media, when they go do like this, they go turn up. If it's stand, but in here, it's not flat.
It's not flat.
You cannot stand.
It's stand though. It's stand.
No, it's shaking. See the one I will do, yeah? I'll do this thing like this. So 1, 2, 3. If you first grab her, like you win. And so we'll slap you. But let's say it's my sister, so don't be able to slap. Like you move with a slap now.
Okay,
anybody will lose.
You go slap her. Hi! This game will make sense die.
So you get her?
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Very much ready.
No shake. Okay, if this thing fall. 1, 2.
You see now.
Okay.
You see now.
You understand the game now?
I understand now. So may we do the.
We'll do the original one.
Okay.
First to grab. 1, 2, 3. Wow, you got fast.
What do you want to? What do you want to do?
You need that again?
Ring out. I heard the sound. Though.
Hi, Daddy. Daddy. are you okay? Are you okay? What happened? Daddy. What happened to my father?
Nothing happened. Your father is just being dramatic.
What the hell happened to my father?
I said nothing happened to your father. And never shout on me again. I'm your boyfriend, not your houseboy.
Daddy. Daddy, what happened? I'm so sorry. Daddy, I promise you, I will get to the root of this.
I went far away, so far away,
Promise.
thinking I'm doing the right thing. But I don't know, I'm just being foolish. Yes, I wandered away, thinking I am following my heart. Oh, little did I know that I'm just being foolish. Think I made a mistake.
How are you doing?
I'm okay.
How is that?
He's recuperating.
I actually came to see him. Can I come in?
Yeah, sure. Of course.
Sir. How are you doing, sir? Is he okay?
He's probably excited to see you.
How is treatment going?
Yes. At least there's movement in his neck and hand, and also a little movement in his legs.
Wow, that's impressive. That's good news.
Please, excuse me, I need to take this call.
Sir, how are you doing? Are you okay? You are not okay? Of course I understand, okay? I mean, considering your situation, I understand how you feel. But not to worry, everything will be fine. Okay? You'll be fine. Alright, I have to leave, okay?
Please. Stay.
Elsa, it's okay, alright? I understand. It's fine.
I'm sorry for everything.
It's okay. Alright? It's okay.
Daddy. Daddy, you held him. Daddy.
You can move. You can move your hand.
He's trying to say something. Yes, yes. Daddy, say, just talk to me, please. Just say something and I will understand, please. Daddy, talk to me. What are you trying to say? Just talk to me. Daddy, say it so we understand. Just...
Daddy, please, just talk to me. Daddy, please.
It's okay. It's okay. Easy. Okay, that's okay.
This is all my fault. Daddy, just say something.
Come. Stop. Stop.
It's all my fault.
Come on, it's not your fault, okay? Look, I believe with time he will speak, alright? It's not your fault. Okay, please.
Daddy, please. It's not your fault. Daddy, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, please.
It's alright. It's okay. It's not your fault, okay? It's not your fault. It's not your fault. It's not your fault, okay? I believe with time he will heal properly. Alright? You know these things take time to heal. Alright? I'll be coming from time to time to check up on him. Right?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Don't hesitate to ask if you need anything.
Sure.
Okay? Right. I have to go now.
Alright, safe. Bye.
Can you see me off?
Let me just stay with Dad, okay?
Oh, okay. Alright.
Alright.
Take care of yourself.
Bye.
So
Hi,
you
babe.
allowed him to kiss you?
Kiss? Baby, come on. It was just a peck.
I don't care what you call it. Was that supposed to be so?
Babe.
Was that necessary? Was he embarrass me every now and then? What sort of embarrassment was that? Must he kiss or touch you?
You didn't kiss me. Baby, you need to calm down.
No, you need to calm down. Please. Please.
You're becoming something else.
You for like I'm joining now. That one.
Daddy, it's nothing, okay? I guess he was just a little bit tensed up. He's not usually like this, trust me. Daddy, come on, it's nothing. He's a nice guy, okay? It's nothing. It's okay. It's okay. I expected you to have apologized for the behavior you exhibited earlier today before my dad.
There is nothing to apologize about.
You think so?
I know so. You allowed another man to kiss and touch you inappropriately. And you see nothing wrong with that?
What are you even talking about? We didn't lock lips. He only pecked me. Why are you taking this too personal?
It simply means that you are not a faithful woman. Only God knows how many other men you've been kissing.
Joe, I won't take this from you. You and I know that you're the first man I've ever been with. Don't talk to me that way again.
Let that fool stay away from us. Stop embarrassing me. Because the next time such thing happens, I won't just be talking.
He's going nowhere. He makes my father happy.
Like I said, if such happens again, I will not just be talking.
Hi, babe.
It's okay.
Good afternoon. So, this is Miriam. Yes, I just employed her to assist us with, some of the things in the house.
I thought you said your father doesn't like maids. So what is she doing here?
Baby, I employed her because I just feel we need someone to assist when we both are not around.
Are you indirectly telling me that I can't take care of your father?
No, come on, no, far from it. Listen, I don't just want to burden you with my problems, okay? And with her presence in this house, you won't be doing much.
Do whatever you want.
Okay, so let me take her to her room. Be right back. Okay, Miriam, come.
Wicked man. The worst mistake you made was arresting me and torturing me. That was the day you signed your death warrant. Because I will never forgive until you are 6 feet below. Come on, come. Come out your head from there. Your time is up. I will kill you today. And people will think you died out of your sickness. And guess what? Once you are dead, I will console your daughter. After consoling her, I will marry her. And both of us will enjoy your wealth forever while you rot in grave. Idiot. Die! Hey, collect your last pressure, last pressure, last pressure, last pressure. Die. One more chance. Are you there? Go in. Go in. Go. Daddy. Oh. Please come and help me. Daddy is stressful. He has been beating up.
Is he okay?
I don't know. I think he's having heart attack or something.
Okay, let me take over.
Okay?
Yeah.
Daddy, take it easy, okay? You'll be fine. Let me get him water.
Okay.
We love you, sir, okay?
Dad, are you okay? Dad, are you okay? What did he do to you? Eh? Sorry.
I went far away, so far away, thinking I'm doing the right thing. Now I don't know, I'm just being foolish. Yes, I wandered away, thinking I am following my heart.
Wake up! Huh? The Bible says no peace for the wicked. So why are you sleeping? You're not supposed to be sleeping because you're a wicked man. Nonsense. I will handle you till you pass away. In fact, let me baptize you. As I don't talk too much. Receive your baptism. Let me know why you're sleeping. By this time of the day. I baptize you in the name of your money, my money. This stroke will kill you. When they bury you, I will come and piss there to make sure you don't rest in peace because you wronged me and will not forgive for this side. You are very stupid. You are a wicked man. No peace for the wicked. Even Bible talk about. feast for the wicked. You are sleeping. Forgetting it's 2 p.m. Are you supposed to be sleeping? Are you the only sick man? Yeah. Are you the only one down with stroke? Do you know how many people that are suffering from the same thing? Mafia. Let me even go and enjoy this ride. Idiot.
Someone here! Sir! That's Mary! Mary! Sorry, sir. It's... Sorry. Oh, easy. Sorry. This one. Are you what? Sir, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you injured? Where are you, Imperial? I came here, I met him on the floor.
He was on a wheelchair, so I was reading the Bible. He slept off. I had to go to my room to check up on something. So I slept off. So I don't know how he fell down. Sir.
He just spoke.
He said help.
Help? How do you need my help, sir? He spoke. Sir, tell me, how do you need my help, sir?
So how do you want us to help you?
You need my help?
Yes.
Yes.
How do you need my help, sir? What do you want, sir? Sir, what do you want me to do for you? What do you want me to do for you, sir?
I went far away, so far away, thinking I'm doing the right thing. Oh, I don't know, I'm just being foolish. Yes, I wandered away, thinking I am following my heart. Oh, little did I know that I'm just being foolish.
Hey. How are you? I'm fine. Are you?
Fine.
You need to keep a close eye on your father.
Okay. What happened?
I just helped Miriam to clean him up, change his clothes and put him to bed. You need to watch your father closely.
You mean he... Okay.
Listen, Elsa. It is your duty to take care of your father. Make sure he's safe, okay? Now that he cannot take care of himself, please, keep a closer eye on your father. I'll be coming from time to time. In fact, I'll be coming every day to check up on him. Okay?
Okay.
And like I said, don't hesitate to call me if you need my help. Alright? Take care of yourself.
Why did you take my dad's car out?
That's not the bone of contention. I saw both of you holding hands.
That is not what I'm talking about. Why did you drive out with my dad's car without my consent?
Are you talking to me like this because I'm in your father's house?
Joe, you know you've changed. You've changed so much.
I've changed. I'm helping you take care of a man that wronged me. Yet, this is what I get?
Enough of this nonsense. Why did you drive out with my father's car without his consent? That is highly disrespectful.
Really? Now tell me, how am I supposed to get the consent of a crippled man who can't even talk? Answer me!
What has gotten over this guy? He has changed completely. What is going on?
Daddy, you're talking. Daddy, this is good. You're talking. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, thank God. Daddy, you're talking. This is impressive. Okay? Daddy, I'm happy. You're talking. Daddy, I know it must be difficult on you. Please. You just have to be strong and pull through. Please, you have to be strong. You have to be optimistic about the future. You have to be strong. You're really talking, okay? It's good news. It's a good step. No? I don't understand. Please. Let's just be strong, please. I know how hard this is on you. You just have to be strong, please. Just be strong. I know you'll come out of this. Daddy, please. Daddy, stop saying no, please. Just be strong. Just be hopeful. Just be optimistic. Please, just believe in God, please. You're really talking. It's a good step.
I know this was intentional, right? Eh? What have I done? Are wicked and evil. Idiot.
Jesus. So why would you do that?
My friend, get lost. Get lost! In fact, come here. Listen. You saw nothing. Are you listening to me? You saw nothing. Are you listening to me?
No.
If I hear this, listen. It's okay. Okay?
Joe! What's going on here? Daddy. Get your hands off him!
No!
What is going on?
Listen. This girl is evil. I saw her fighting your father. You won't believe this. Yes.
You saw what? You saw what? You saw her doing what?
Stop! Were you expecting me to love him as a father after all he did? No. This man is evil. He deserves whatever he's getting. Have you forgotten what he did to me? He locked me up, tortured me. I became traumatized because of him. So when I saw him in this state, I wanted revenge at all costs.
You're a shameless he-goat. You should have walked away. You should have walked away. Why do you want to kill my father for me?
I needed to pay him back for all he did.
He did nothing. You did nothing, Joe. You were just...
I'm warning you.
What is wrong with you?
What's your problem?
What is wrong with
What's
you?
your problem? What is your problem?
What is wrong with you?
What is your
What's
problem?
wrong with you, Joe?
What is your problem?
Call the police.
Which police? Bogini?
I need to call the police.
Bogini?
What's wrong with you?
Bogini?
Hold him. I need to call the police.
Forgive us. Forgive my brother. Just let him go, please.
That I should forgive your brother. After all you and your useless brother did to me. After all you and your useless brother did to my father. That I should forgive you. Your brother is going to rot in jail.
Hey, please. My brother is not like that. I'm not like that either. I swear to God, it's the devil's work. Bikono, forgive my brother, please. I beg you, please. My brother loves you so much.
You must be very stupid. You know I've been meaning to do this for a long time now. You're a bastard. My father told me all that you did to him. And you dare come into my compound to tell me to forgive you? Look at you. You cheap little slut. You instigated your brother into becoming so evil and inhuman. And now you come here to preach to me about love. What do you know about love? What do you know about love?
We are sorry, we are sorry.
Get out!
Get out! Ah! Out!
She's out.
Bastard.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, sweetheart.
How are you?
Well, I'm fine. I just decided to come and check on you.
Okay. So, how did you know?
How did I know what?
That Jay wasn't good for me and he isn't a nice person.
The truth of the matter is that I didn't know. I just wanted you to get married to a nice person, someone from a very good family background. That was why I rejected him, you know. But I guess I made a monster out of him.
I don't think so, Daddy. I believe we all have our own monsters lurking inside of us. But he chose to let his out.
Well, sweetheart, it's over a month now. And I think it's time you let him go.
No. He is going to remain locked up in there until I decide otherwise.
Sweetheart, please, don't be like me. Don't traumatize that young man any further, okay?
But I don't see myself forgiving him. I don't.
Honey, the man also hurt me. But I've forgiven him. Okay? Now you are about starting a new relationship, a fresh one with Marix. And it's not good that you carry this anger inside of you into that wonderful relationship. Okay? Please, let him go. Don't be a monster like me.
No. You are not a monster, Dad. If you hadn't done what you did, I would have still found out. I would have married him. And sooner or later, every ugly part of him would have unraveled. Daddy, thank you so much for being so resilient, for fighting through this, for being alive for me. I don't know what I would have done without you. And most importantly, thank you for saving me from the real monster.
Are you saying I'm a fake monster?
You're never a monster, Daddy. I love you so much. I love you.
My love for you transcends everything.
And my love for you transcends life itself.
Oh.
Wow. You look amazing.
Thank you. Hi.
You people should have gone out on a date first at least.
Oh, Daddy. Your mind is so dirty.
Oh, come
right?
on. What have I said that is wrong? Huh? I only said you people should have gone out on a date first. What is dirty about that? Huh?
All right, shall we? See you later, old man.
But, Daddy, are you sure you can stay on your own?
Come on, sweetheart. I am not a baby. Huh? Besides, Miriam is here to look after me, okay? Go and have fun.
Sure you're not gonna miss me?
Please, go and have fun. Okay?
Okay.
So, make sure you take care of him, okay?
Sure, sir.
Let's go. All right. See you soon. Come here, let's go.
Daddy!
Have fun.
Let's go.
Come here.
Father loves me, I love him too. He provide for me, I mean everything I want to. Anything I need, he protects me and he guides me. He never wants any harm to come to me. He's a super dada. Somebody tell me, what more can I ask for? Hey, it's a mixture of mama and papa all in one. He's making me to feel the vibes of a super daddy. His love for me is upgraded, and that's why I keep on saying, you are my one in a million.